when he's already in the field. He's probably already seen the decoys. He's working this way. We got another one in the pines over here. He's coming too, so either we're gonna double up or we'll see which one gets here first. Won't be long.
Come on, baby. We don't miss. Done. Tell you what, we was cramped up by the time he got to us, but he finally made it work. Them hens did it for us. Told you, the gun ain't worth the crap, but it'll shoot. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Got some hooks on them, dude. Got some hooks on them. Suck. Pretty hooks. Located another bird. He's out here in the field by himself. Get him down. On this old road bridge right here. Try to swing around on him. Get ahead of him. Right, good bird. Stick with us when we try to put two on the ground. Woo! Got him, baby. Check your time out. 11:55, baby. 11:55. Second bird down. Come on. Come on. What I tell you? I missed it by 2 minutes. I said 11:57. Killed him at 11:55. Don't get a little bit of that. Woo! Number 2. Pulling half of his tail fan right there. He'll be hot. Yeah. That's a wrap, folks. Doubled up today. Second bird down, 11:55. Come on. It is 6:20 right now. We're out on some public lands here. Hunting a bird that I hunted a few weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago. So waiting on him to gobble. The last time I hunted this bird, he didn't gobble till like 6:30. And he didn't gobble long after that either. Or long after he hit the ground, he gobbled a few times and shut up. I was trying to hear it gobble, and I tried to move in real fast. But he's roosted on private, or he used to be roosted on private. But public backs right up to that private, so we'll see if he gobbles again. If he don't, then I'm just gonna go around and try to strike one. Alright guys, just had a bird gobble down by the truck. I'm hauling ass down here right now trying to cut him off before he gets somewhere where I can't get him. But I'm gonna keep moving. He's gobbling like crazy, so I think if I get within 150, 200 yards of him, I can get him in. He's responded to one of my yelps, and he's coming this way, so I'm gonna try to get in on him a little bit. Let's get it.
boy. What I'm talking about, son. Ain't that made up, son? Give me some of that. Give me some of that, son. Give me some of that. Give me some of that, son. Give me some. Give. Nice hooks on them. Haha. That's what I'm talking about. My first North Carolina public bird. And man, am I excited. I did a lot of scouting here pre-season, and I found a bird further down. I set up on him this morning. I've set up on that bird 3 different times and just wasn't able to get on him. He's right on the public and private land border, and I walked in, didn't hear, I heard a gobble way off, might have been the same bird, but I came back up trying to get to some higher ground so I could listen for a little bit and try to locate one. And before I could even do anything, I heard him gobbling, and I mean, it was every breath he was gobbling. So I figured he was a hot bird, so I ran through the woods probably a half a mile, like just freaking sprinting, trying to get to him before somebody else did, or either he found a hen. But I mean, he was gobbling, double gobbling. I wasn't even calling to him barely. I barely called to this bird. I called to this bird maybe 4 times. Just real soft yelps. He came down, he was following this gravel road, this handicap access road to the public land right here. He was following that in, and I got down here in this bottom and brought him down in the bottom. I shot him, he was about level with me, coming down to the creek. But man, I'm pretty sure he was on private land, and he had to cross the road right there by where my truck is parked to get where I'm at right now. I ain't about probably 100 yards from the truck. So man, what a hunt. What a hunt. Things can change in a daggone instant this time of year with these turkeys, man. It'll be silent. They'll be with hens and they'll leave their hens, and they'll just start gobbling like crazy trying to find another one. And that's what this one was doing. I mean, I called to him first off up on top of this hill. He was way across the road. He had to run or something.